Behind the grime and dirt of the heavily industrialised Deeside, the rest of Flintshire is a quiet rural area with peaceful little villages such as Sarn. This hillside above Sarn contains parts of Welsh history, as it is known to contain at least 4 ancient burial mounds and probably more. But the hill also contains limestone, one of the highest grades of limestone in the world at that. Now a major Derbyshire quarry company has applied for planning permission to develop the hill as a quarry, and the project is now being considered by the Flintshire County Council. But when Mr. Kenneth Davies, a lecturer in town and country planning at a Liverpool college, who lives at Sarn, heard of the plan, he immediately started to systematically oppose plans for developing the quarry.
Basically, on the economic aspects, I feel that there has been insufficient interest taken in the exact nature of the unemployment of the area. I have in fact been round the local labour exchanges and to the local quarries, and I have found there is a shortage of quarrymen. There appears to be nobody available to take the jobs that are vacant.
What support have you?
We have been organising a petition in the area. The residents themselves feel that they do not know enough about the proposals. They would have preferred the RDC to have informed them of the exact nature of these proposals, because they feel that they themselves are not able to judge properly.
Mr. Pryce Witley, you are a member of the Holywell Rural District Council. Now, can you tell me what effect would the establishment of this quarry have on the area and the economy?
Well, the effect, firstly, will be, of course, that it will bring employment to an area that was suddenly, more or less, denied of employment. And that was when the Moston Ironworks closed down.
There is no doubt there is opposition to this project, and those people who signed the petition accuse the Holywell Rural District Council of not giving them all the facts. What do you say to this?
Well, this is not true. This is certainly not true. The Holywell Rural Council thus far have not approved this project. The original application has not come before the Holywell Rural District Council. It is now at the moment in the hands of the planning authorities.
Some 3 miles from the proposed quarry site are the Moston docks. If the quarry was given the go-ahead, it would mean a new lease of life for the docks. It would be reasonable to expect that shipping from Moston to London, Glasgow and South Wales could be at the rate of 5,000 tonnes during the first year of operation and increase to some 10,000 tonnes annually afterwards.